Hello, Tokyo. I promise you that we're in Tokyo and not just on yet another random escalator.
The escalators never end.
Yeah, there are a lot of them.
The world is forever up and down.
So
run to the train.
Or you might die. Whee! Don't walk, just stand still. I can deal with that. This is our room tour. This is our room.
Thank you for the room tour.
That's the tour.
Make
That's
sure
the whole
to
thing.
like, share and subscribe. If you would like more room tours like this, please consider viewing our previous videos.
There is a cupboard and a TV. and out here, excuse the squeaky floor.
It does not come with fiance.
Push door.
Get your own.
Bathroom facilities. But yeah, it's small.
It's fine.
It'll do. I've changed my shirt because I was warm from the big bag. We don't have to carry that again for another 6 days, which is quite nice.
I hope it won't be as full next time.
No, because we're gonna. So the plan, TM, is to go towards Ueno, which is where Ueno Park is. Maybe chill in the park for a bit. Go to Don Quixote, bring back a suitcase and some stuff. We also need to have dinner at some point.
Which you can also have near you, because there's loads of places to eat.
Yeah, and if we can find a Lawson with a loppy, that will make me very happy. So tomorrow we're going to go to Team Labs. I've got the tickets for that all sorted. It's all good. All good. That's in the evening, so the day is pretty much ours to play with in Tokyo, really. Monday, Tuesday is Disney. Wednesday is Ghibli Museum. So we need to go to a Lawson's with a loppy to print out the tickets for the Ghibli Museum.
There is no Lawson's in Ueno.
We'll find one. We picked up our Ghibli Museum tickets from this tiny Lawson. So I have not explained how much of a faff getting these Ghibli tickets was now. I should have been up at midnight or 1 o'clock our time to get them originally.
First, how do you get the tickets?
So
what day can you buy the tickets?
It's the 10th of the month prior to when you want to go.
Right.
So
we're going
it's April. We'd have had it would be the 10th of March.
Gotcha. That's
and it would be 10 a.m. Japan time.
Okay, that's all right.
I was not up at 10 a.m. Japan time because 10 a.m. Japan time is midnight.
Yep.
Cool.
So we checked as soon as possible the next day, didn't we?
We checked in the morning and they were all gone.
Yeah.
Completely. Utterly.
But did that happen to the previous months?
No.
No, it did not.
There was still stuff for March on there.
Yep.
On the 10th of March.
But we weren't very unlucky.
Yeah.
In April, gone in seconds.
Yeah. Yeah. Nice. So basically,
Complete journey trip first.
I got a Japanese VPN.
Yep.
I signed up using the address for our Ryokan because that's also in Tokyo, as was the VPN I was based on. And then I got an email completely in Japanese confirming that I'd done it, and I was like, right, cool. What do I do next? So the next thing you have to do is go to a Lawson with what is called a loppy machine. They're these little red machines near the ATMs most of the time. This particular one was in the basement. Don't know why, as you do. Thankfully they had sent us a QR code that we could just scan onto the machine, and it just went, are you sure you want to do this? And we were like, yes please. And then we had to take the receipt to the till, where this woman who'd clearly not done this before or hadn't done it in a while was sort of like trying to find our tickets to give to us. We now have those, they're in my bag in a wallet. But let me tell you that it was an experience. Like, you cannot. Now normally you'd also be able to buy them at the loppy machines. You can't at the moment. The only way to buy them is on the Lawson website.
Yeah.
So
there is an option, so you think, oh, I can just tap that and it'll do it. No, it still won't work. So I'll say it's sold out.
Yeah, so there was a way as well. I did it wrong the first time. If you pay online, yes.
Is that karaoke?
I don't know. If you pay online, you can collect it up to the day that you go. If you do it to pay in the store, you have a couple of days and that's it. So yeah, if you want to do that, that's how I did it. Hopefully in the next few coming months, when people have sort of been to Japan and been to the Ghibli Museum, it will be less stressful, but I make no promises, so.
No, it's not.
Are you talking to the crows?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Therefore, all birds speak Spanish.
Alternatively, the birds are just making noise at you making noise. It does make me happy that small children act the same everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeet. Also, some people are still having like picnics in the park, and it's like, 5:30, which is quite cool. There are several museums around Ueno Park.
There's the Tokyo National Museum,
Mm-hmm.
the Art and Science Museum, the Nature and Science Museum. There's an Art and Entertainment Museum as well. I think there's like 4 or 5 museums.
And there's
in
also
total.
the zoo, which is apparently a legit zoo. Like, it's apparently really good.
And it's got pandas.
And there's pandas, who may or may not have had a baby, I can't remember.
There's at least a panda called Chang Chang, which everyone wants to see.
Yes, so that might be the baby panda.
Maybe baby panda.
I found rubbish. I finally found rubbish in
We
a
have
place.
Starbucks coffee. Everyone's coffee.
So, if you're everyone, you go here.
Your Starbucks, you can
If
go
you're
there.
Starbucks, you go there. It's the only way. Yeah, we're just kind of walking through Ueno Park to see the watery bits. And also, we've got to go to...
We would like to go to a Don Quixote.
We'd like to go to a Don Quixote, and I would like to go to a Daiso
to buy a suitcase.
to buy, not a suitcase. I need to get a new charging cable because somehow mine has broken. It's only for my phone.
I mean, yeah, to be fair, it'll be cheaper than a phone.
Daiso is 100 yen, so we're going to Daiso for the charging cable. We're going to spend 100 yen on a charging cable. I don't even care if it breaks between here and home. It's just mine has a literal hole in it and you can see the cables and it's not safe. Huh? What can we hear? Oh, people, are they singing or talking?
Yeah, we are preaching Jesus.
In American accents.
Well, because he's in English and Japanese.
I feel like I've travelled home. It is heckin' busy down Sakura Street. Also, you can see where a lot of the sakura has come down because of the wind and rain Tokyo's been having, and it's turned into these lovely leaves.
Pretty sure that lady's having an allergic reaction.
Very possibly. The leaves are quite nice too, to be fair. I like the lanterns. So they've put these lanterns up because of the sakura, I believe.
Yeah.
Like, these are not always here, as you can see by the green fence. These are not always here. Yeah, everyone's having just a chill time, which is quite lovely to see. We are also having a chill time, but without picnics. We already did that.
We did those.
Yeah.
It was very successful.
Great picnic success, some might say. I do like the flowers here. It's probably another reason they put the fences up. They knew it was going to be heckin' busy. So they were like, let's do it in such a way that people don't walk on the flowers, perhaps. Okay guys, we are at our ryokan. It's about 10:30 at night. It's quite well lit in here. The window's currently open, so we need to sort that out. I won a Pichu from a grabber machine. Didn't record it because they're a little bit, well, I didn't know if we could record in the arcade or not, so we didn't. We've also been to Don Quixote and bought this suitcase. The plan is to then carry home some of our gubbins in it. We also went to Daiko, the dollar store, which was inside a department store, and I got myself a new charging cable to replace the one that's broken. Nice little walk through Ueno Park. After all of the shopping bits, apart from the suitcase, we did that last. We went and got some, what's the food? Crunchy fried chicken, and other bits and bobs from a place that did a set where you could have refillable rice if you wanted to. We opted not to, but I did get extra chicken because I really liked the chicken they did there, so that was really good. Yeah, the suitcase was tax-free. Yay! So we can use it to bring stuff home in, which is fine. I'm not sure what the consumables thing is about, but we'll find out. But yeah, we're going to head to bed now because it's getting quite late. It's later than we've been to bed recently. But we're trying to sort of stay up a little bit later for Disney reasons. Tomorrow we are off to the team labs in the evening, and we have pretty much the whole day open, so we'll make some kind of plan and then stick to said kind of plan. Yeah, so I'm going to sleep, Matt's just coming back from filling up the water bottle because we bought a big water bottle so we can fill it up because this place actually has a tap that's really easily accessible, so A++ on that one. And we'll see you in the morning. Ciao.